Well, hello everybody, and welcome to this episode of G-Bear's Off-Grid Ways, a homestead in the desert. And to start today's video off, I got a package here in the mail today, and man, it is really taped up. So let's see what we have in here. Can't tell you by the return address on it because it just says Shipping Department, Los Angeles, California. So let's see if I can do this one-handed. Cut it there. Cut it there. I'll try cutting it here. Well, let's see if I can get it open now. All right. So, got foam on top, and we got something from WattCycle. Yes, sirree. Well, let's see what we got from WattCycle. Nice looking box. Really nice looking box. Okay. Cover's coming off. And something comes out of the inside of it here. All right. It's a nice aluminum box. Got something on here. WattCycle Green Power Advocator, 3rd anniversary. August 2025. 3 years of shared commitment to a greener world. Thank you for being part of WattCycle's lithium-powered journey. Wow. That is really nice. I'm going to have to find a place to hang that up. And when I get it up, I'll put it in one of my videos. I want to say thank you to WattCycle. That's really nice. Fantastic looking unit. Alright, so I'm going to move on from here and see what else I can get into video. So I'm going to pause for a few minutes while I put things away. Okay, well, I found a good place to hang it right below the Bless This Home and my little hand painting there on canvas, and there's the WattCycle. It was interesting, on the back side of it there was a little magnetic pin, and I wondered what the heck is that for. Well, apparently it fits in a little indentation at the bottom back side here, and it's a leg so that you can stand it on a desk. Pretty cool. But it's hung here, and that's where it's probably going to stay. I like it there. The minute somebody walks in the door, they're going to look at this wall and they're going to see it. So hold on while I move on to the next part. Okay, I'm back and outside now, so I come over here and I did a quick wipe down on the Ames, and this is the information on the Ames if anybody wants to look it up. And I'm going to be asking probably $900 for this, no tax of course, but there'll also be shipping, and I'm not sure how much it's going to cost to ship. I'm pretty sure I might still have the original box it came in my storage container. I'll be looking for that come later this week, because right now I've got a van full of solar panels, and I just contacted the people that ordered those and said, I need to get them out of my van. I need my van. Now, I'm not whining. I'm beering. Well, actually, I need to get those out of here because look at it. There's quite a few of them there. And they're nice looking panels, I'll tell you that much. They are used, but for the price, can't go wrong. This strap is keeping them from flipping around. And I'll put this here where it's going to be upside down. And it does me no good to rotate the phone because it'll still be upside down. So you'll just have to turn your heads or read it upside down, whatever. But they're all the same make and model and power and all of that. And they've all apparently been tested for output, and they all have good output. So they are used, but they are in good condition. And they're big. I'd say they're pretty close to the same size as a 4x8 sheet of plywood. Pretty good sized panels. So I hope the people that ordered them, well, one lady I'm going to deliver 12 to. The other guy lives just up the road from here, and I contacted him both through text and called and left a message on his phone that he's going to get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of them. The other 12 go to this other lady who's modifying or updating her system, and she's going to be using the same SunGold power system that I'm using. So I got a call coming in. I'll hold on. All right, sorry about the interruption, but that was the guy that is getting the first 6 panels, and worked it out where I'm going to deliver them to his neighbor's place right next to him, and they'll be available for him to pick up there whenever he gets free. And I'll have them out of my van so I can get the others out tomorrow when I deliver those to the lady down the road. All right, so with all of that being said and done, I think the only thing I got to do right now is I just closed everything up, is I'm going to go down and get the eggs that were laid today out of the chicken coop and get those in the house. And then I'll sit down, edit, and upload this video. Thanks for joining me, everybody. Questions and comments down below. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. It's free to subscribe. If you click join, you're going to be asked to make a payment. The join is for paid patrons. So if you just want to subscribe for free, just click the subscribe button below the video. Thanks for joining me. This is G Bear signing off.